Welcome to another episode of Air Traffic Out of Control, the podcast bringing you the best, most interesting, and most unbelievable air traffic control recordings, right from the tower to your ears. I'm your host, Amy Tango Charlie. In this episode, Fedex Flight 1376 departs from Chattanooga, Tennessee, and immediately discovers a problem. The aircraft is experiencing a hydraulic issue and needs to return to the airport due to an unsafe landing gear indication. The plane passes the tower, which confirms that the landing gear has not been deployed, so the pilots must execute a no-gear landing.
Departure FedEx 1376, 2,400, climbing 5,000, runway heading.
FedEx 1376, Chattanooga departure, radar contact, climb maintain 10,000, to right direct Mackin.
Alright, climb maintain 10,000, right direct Mackin, FedEx 1376. Departure FedEx 1376, we're working a minor issue. Can we maintain runway heading up to, say, 5,000?
FedEx 1376, affirmative, and altitude maintain 5,000, continue runway heading, advise if you require any assistance.
Okay, runway heading 5,000, we'll call you back, FedEx 1376.
1376, I might just start vectoring you to the west and then maybe to the north just to keep you in my airspace.
We need to stand by, FedEx 1376.
FedEx 1376, roger. FedEx 1376. FedEx 1376, am I able to bring you to the north, or do you need to continue runway heading?
To the, let's see, yeah, we'll take a turn to the north.
FedEx 1376, roger, I'll just take you, correct, and turn right, heading 360.
Right heading 360, FedEx 1376.
FedEx 1376, do you require assistance?
Right now, we're talking with the company, seeing where they want us to go. We'll get back to you.
FedEx 1376, roger. Just let me know your intentions.
Will do.
FedEx 1376.
Yeah, FedEx 1376. Looks like we're going to be coming back to Chattanooga. We're going to need a little bit of time here, though, just some extended vectors to run some checklists. We'll call you back.
FedEx 1376, 40 vectors, turn right heading 020. I'll just keep you north of the airport. You can expect I'll just vector you around up there.
Okay, 020 heading for now, FedEx 1376.
FedEx 1376, are you declaring emergency at all?
Negative.
FedEx 1376, roger.
Enterprise FedEx 1376. Yeah, if we could just go across the final approach course and then back, we're going to need some time to get our flaps down and everything. We'll let you know when we're ready to commence the approach.
Alright, FedEx 1376, roger. Fly heading 090. I'll bring you across to the north and then bring you back down from the northeast.
Okay, 090 now, FedEx 1376. And FedEx 1376, we're ready to commence the approach. We can take a descent now, vectors.
Alright, FedEx 1376, turn right heading turn right heading 230, descend and maintain 3,000.
Alright, 230 down to 3,000, FedEx 1376.
FedEx 1376, just confirming you're not declaring an emergency.
Flight control issue. Don't need any further assistance at this time.
FedEx 1376, roger. Just let me know if you need any assistance, and you can expect to intercept the localizer for runway 20.
FedEx 1376.
1376, you're 17 miles from Daisy, maintain 3,000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS, runway 20 approach.
Okay, maintain 3,000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS, runway 20 Chattanooga, FedEx 1376. 1376, we'd like to break off the approach. We're getting an unsafe gear indication now.
FedEx 1376, roger. Approach clearance canceled. Are you able to climb, sir?
Yeah, we could climb maybe back to 5,000 if that helps you.
FedEx 1376, absolutely. Approach clearance canceled. Climb maintain 5,000 and continue on the 230 heading.
Alright, up to 5,000 and continue on the 230 heading, FedEx 1376.
1376, turn left, heading 200.
Left 200, FedEx 1376.
FedEx 1376, I may just hold you at Daisy if you'd like to do that holding instructions.
We'll get back to you, FedEx 1376.
1376, roger.
Chattanooga approach, FedEx 1376.
FedEx 1376, approach.
Yes, sir. When we land, we're going to have to stop on the runway. We're not going to have any steering available to us, and we'll get our tug out. But just to give you a heads up, we'll be shutting down the runway. So in that case, we're going to go ahead and declare emergency this time. We got 3 souls on board, approximately an hour and a half of fuel remaining.
FedEx 1376, roger. And is that for unsafe gear indication?
Attempt a alternate gear extension now.
FedEx 1376, roger. We'll get the trucks rolling for you, and just let us know when you're ready for your approach, and when you get everything set up for it.
FedEx 1376, we'll go.
Affirmative. We got a FedEx 1376 that departed here not too long ago. They're currently holding in the sky. 3 souls on board. 1.5 hours of fuel left remaining. Says unsafe gear. They said that they may not have nose wheel steering, so they plan to land, and they may need a tug from FedEx to come out and get them off the runway. And they should be landing in the next 10 minutes. We're just trying to figure out exactly what he wants to do, but he's currently about 15 miles from the airport. But he's, like I said, he's holding for now.
Roger. FedEx 1376, turn right, heading 020.
Right, 020, FedEx 1376.
E1, E2, E3, just trying to keep you advised here. Looks like that FedEx, he's still kind of flying around. We're not sure if he's trying to burn some fuel or is he still doing a whole bunch of checks and checklist things before he starts coming in. I just want to give you a heads up.
Chattanooga, FedEx 1376, we'd like to do a low pass over the runway, and if you could tell us if we're showing any gear down, we'd appreciate it.
FedEx 1376, roger. I'll get you a few more miles out there, and then I'll start bringing in and just sending you over the airport.
1376.
Now we'll get everybody looking at you.
Thanks.
The FedEx plane is going to try to come inbound at this time. They're just going to do a low approach, and they would like everybody, myself, I'm just going up here, and everybody on the ground to also look to see if you can see if his gear is down. And I'll let you know when he's approximately 5 minutes out, but he's still out there trying to lose some altitude.
FedEx 1376, turn right, heading 110. 1376, I'm just going to keep you on this frequency for your low approach, and we got everybody looking for your gear.
1376.
FedEx 1376, turn right, heading 170, intercept the localizer.
Right, 170, sorry, 1376.
FedEx 1376, you're 4 miles from Daisy. Maintain 3,000 until established on the localizer. Cleared ILS, runway 20 approach.
Miles out.
1376, emergency.
FedEx 1376, tower advises, runway 20, cleared low approach.
Clear low approach, FedEx 1376.
FedEx 1376, your climb out instructions are fly runway heading, climb and maintain 5,000.
Runway heading 5,000, FedEx 1376.
E1, he's currently about 4 minutes out. He's on a 7-mile final. Do you have him in sight out there?
Tower, do you have a visual for FedEx 1376?
FedEx 1376. So I'll just relay from the tower. You want them to look at you right now?
Yeah, just making sure they can see us visually here. We're inside 2 miles.
FedEx 1376, just overfly, just low approach runway 20, just overfly the runway, and everybody will look and see if your gear appears down.
1376.
Thank you.
I did not either. Did you happen to see sparks?
Approach FedEx 1376, see any word?
And FedEx 1376, both tower and the ground crew said there appeared to not be a landing gear observed. No landing gear observed.
Okay, copy that. We're going to turn back up immediately, and we're going to plan on a no gear landing.
FedEx 1376, Roger, maintain 4,000.
4,000, FedEx 1376.
E1, the aircraft has decided he's going to come in for a no gear landing. Alert 3 now, and be coming back around.
FedEx 1376, turn left, heading 090.
Left 090, FedEx 1376, emergency. Adding one more time, FedEx 1376.
FedEx 1376, maintain 4,000, fly heading 090.
090, FedEx 1376.
FedEx 1376, turn left heading 020.
020, FedEx 1376.
1376, we've been talking to your desk, the FedEx desk, so we got all the information that we need from them based on your cargo and all that stuff. So
We're planning on a gear up landing. Obviously, we'll be shut down and evacuating on the runway.
FedEx 1376, Roger. Egressing on runway 20, current wind calm.
FedEx 1376.
FedEx 1376, I'll give you a long final if you'd like that.
That's fine.
FedEx 1376, Roger. FedEx 1376, do you have an updated fuel report for me at all?
Yeah, we have approximately 1 hour of fuel remaining.
1 hour of fuel remaining, Roger. We'll update the fire department, and we'll get you down here shortly.
1376.
E1, just a heads up for an update of the fuel. He now has 1 hour of fuel remaining. He is about to be inbound.
1376, descend and maintain 3,000.
Descend 3,000, FedEx 1376.
Just to give you a heads up what the aircraft would like to do, the pilot has said they plan on egressing on the runway. Like I said, there's 3 souls on board.
FedEx 1376, turn left, heading 290.
Left 290, FedEx 1376.
1376, continue left turn, heading 230, intercept the localizer, runway 20.
230, turn localizer, runway 20, FedEx 1376.
And E1, just to give you an update, the aircraft is about 13 miles out, approximately 6 minutes.
1376, if you go through 170, put you back on, turn left, heading 170 to intercept.
Yeah, sorry, we're trying to do a maneuver to see if we can draw the gear door open. But, we're turning now.
Thanks, 1376, no worries, sir. You're 3 miles from Daisy. Maintain 3,000 until established on the localizer. Cleared ILS runway 20 approach.
Alright, 3,000 still established clear ILS runway 20 approach, FedEx 1376.
FedEx 1376, tower advises runway 20, clear to land.
Clear to land, FedEx 1376.
Wind calm. And FedEx 1376, I'll just keep you on this frequency, sir.
We'd like to do one or return here. We'll let you know we're turning back inbound.
FedEx 1376, Roger. Approach clearance canceled. Do you just like to turn out to do another lap?
Yeah, we'll just, if you'll make a left turn here, we'll call you back. FedEx 1376.
FedEx 1376, no worries, sir. Approach clearance canceled. Climb and maintain 3,000. Turn left heading 090.
090, 3,000, FedEx 1376.
One looks like it's going to be a little bit more delayed. Looks like they turned back out. I'll let you know when they're back in now.
FedEx 1376, just let me know when you're ready to come in.
1376, we'll go.
FedEx 1376, turn left heading 020.
020, FedEx 1376.
FedEx 1376, turn left heading 200.
Front heading of FedEx 1376.
FedEx 1376, so you said you want the current heading?
We're going to have to commence the approach now.
All right, FedEx 1376, roger, turn left heading 230. Intercept the localizer, runway 20.
230, throwing a localizer, FedEx 1376.
FedEx 1376, you're 2 miles from Daisy. Maintain 3,000 until established on the localizer. Cleared ILS, runway 20 approach.
Okay, 3,000 still established, cleared ILS 20, FedEx 1376, emergency.
FedEx 1376, tower advises, runway 20, cleared to land.
Okay.
Wind 130 at 4.
Appreciate the question. Anyone for update for you? The aircraft is about 5 minutes out. They're currently 10 miles from the airport.
Altimeter 3011, wind 1403.
The aircraft is now approximately 4 minutes out. 7 mile final. Has been cleared to land. Runway 20.
Chattanooga Airport, wind 140 at 3. Altimeter 3011.
E1, E2, E3, the aircraft is now 2 minutes out, 4 mile final. Do you have them in sight? The airfield is now closed. Attention all aircraft, Chattanooga Airport is now closed. Airfield is closed.
Chattanooga Airport, now closed. Attention all aircraft, Chattanooga Tower, and approach now terminating Class Charlie services. Class Echo airspace is now in effect. For further information, contact Atlanta Center 132.05.
Affirmative, they landed and they used the entire runway. Runway 20, get off to the end. It appears and they're down there right now. Affirmative, down there by runway 2 by Fedex ramp is where they're at. Affirmative, actually the entire airport is closed. That was reported, I believe, by E3 or E1. They reported the airfield is closed and there's a couple arrivals coming in and they went back to where they departed from.
That's all for this episode of Air Traffic Out of Control. If you love the show, check out the show notes for a link to follow us on Twitter. Also, to make sure you don't miss an episode, be sure to follow or subscribe in your podcast player. Thanks for joining us on board today. Bye-bye.